the bag isn't. The thing inside the bag is. If you're in the UK, and probably most other countries, if you're going to go into a public area, you need a bag, or something to cover it. I generally use a bag, they're not expensive. This one doesn't have any protection, it's purely for the fact that I need it when I go out to the car, because I do go to a gun club, and I have to drive. This is the gun, it's a Gamo Brake barrel, so you got, that's on off safety, on safety, can't pull the trigger, can pull the trigger, so it's a very windy day today. So, got the cheek rest. Now the scope I'm using is a BSA, which is an English company, it's like Bristol something or other, I'm not sure what that means. We've got the sports match mounts, as you can see, sports match. I think these are the dampener ones, so obviously it's an air rifle, it doesn't have that much recoil, but it does have a small bit of recoil, and the dampener mounts just make sure that it doesn't move the scope, so you have good accuracy. It's got the butt pad, which is a rubber butt pad, which just, obviously it dampens it a bit. For a PCP, you really don't need anything dampener, or you don't need a rubber butt pad, because they have zero recoil, like, they don't have recoil. It's not that they have minimal recoil, they generally don't have any recoil because of the way they work. You've got iron, it's got built-in iron sights, the scope does not come with it. It's got windage elevation, it's a 3 to 9 by 50 I believe. The parallax is here. So that is the gun and the scope. I think now we're going to do a shooting demonstration. So, let's go. Okay, this is the target we're shooting at. It's just a basic knockdown target. The basic idea of this is to hit the yellow. If you don't hit the yellow, nothing. But if I hit the yellow, it goes down. Don't hit the yellow, nothing happens. It goes down. We've also got little rings, so you put the rings through there. That just smallens the yellow, so if you can get it down to like that sort of size. And you just have to hit through the ring. That's the basic idea. Okay, so I'm just going to briefly talk about safety. As you know, a gun needs to be safe. So always wear eye protection, and if you're shooting at a live range where there's genuine guns, ear protection is a necessity. Also, if you're under the age of 18 and you're shooting an air rifle, you need to have an adult supervision. My mum's just there, so let's get going. This is a break action gun, so I just pull down, grab a pellet, put it in, safety is off, and then we're ready to shoot. Let's go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick video on my air rifle and us zeroing in scope of shooting. Watch out for a video soon on how to pick pellets, what sort of pellets you should pick, and how to zero the scope. If you enjoyed, goodbye.